Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2013 F-350 Lariat in white platinum with black leather interior, seating for six. 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, with a 6.5-foot box. This is a 4x4 with a 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel engine, and it's a V8. It also has a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You have power extending mirrors and memory for 2 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your lighting controls here, power paddles, tilting steering wheel, and a grab handle in the body to make it easier to get in. The steering wheel can tilt, as I mentioned, and on the face of it, it has dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. And I'm just going to get in there. Gauge mode, trip AB, fuel economy, truck apps, settings, information, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has tow haul at the end. When you press it, you'll see it to the right, and then off again. Up above is a little cubby, and you've got your AV line in, USB, and SD card, as well as a little bit of storage there. And then you just close that right up. You've got a display screen, so when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. On the top is information, bottom right is climate with heated and cooled driver and passenger seat. Top left is phone, and entertainment is on the bottom left. AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, USB, as well as Bluetooth, SD card, and AV in. You can then go home for different options, and as you can see, I'm touching the screen so you can make choices that way. As well, you can go into the system for different options like wireless and internet. You have your volume and tuner. There's your hazard lights and your media controls. Down below is your dual climate control for driver and passenger, as well as AC and max AC, front and rear defrost, and there's your fan. You have upfetter switches, as well as integrated trailer brake controller. There's a couple of cup holders down below. Off to the side, traction control, 4x4 locking differential. There's a 12 volt and the on and off for the passenger airbag. In the center, there's more cup holders for you, more storage, and then you can flip it up for another seating position, and underneath, more storage down below just by unclipping it. Off to the side is a 110 outlet, as well as 12 volt. You've got a glove compartment. Up above is your auto dimming rear view mirror. And you also have your lighting controls, universal garage door opener. That's the power switch to slide that power back window. And you have not 1, but 2 sunglass holders. 18-inch wheels, black running board, body color door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. The backup camera is located just below the Ford badge, and the backup sensors are on your bumper. You have a 4- and 7-pin connector and a trailer hitch. And when we open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's nice and roomy, it's lined, and it has tie downs in all 4 corners. On your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door and windows that can be flipped open for venting. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. There's a lever here that you pull up and then push up the seat. You now have access to the floor area, and then just lift that lever again and drop it back down. There's all-weather mats on the floor, and up above, lighting in the back hooks and access to a sliding window. Chrome bumper, dual exhaust, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with power extensions, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.